In him we cannot lose. The shadows surround us. We will fear no evil. We'll trust in the Lord with our heart and in our joy. We will dwell forever. Though the night may seem weary, oh, praise to Jesus. I know joy is coming. Yes, joy is coming. That's joy. So we will not be shaken. No, no. We will not be moved. For the Lord is beside us. In him we cannot lose. Though the shadows surround us, we will fear no evil. We'll trust in the Lord with our heart and in our joy. We will dwell forever. Though the night may seem weary, joy is coming, 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 and in the morning, oh, praise to King Jesus. I know joy is coming. Though the night may seem weary, joy is coming, 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 and in the morning, oh, praise to King Jesus. I know joy is coming. Yes, joy is coming. That's joy. The Bible says we who may endure for a night, but joy is coming in the morning. You see, your light will drown our darkness and bring our joy to life. We won't submit to sorrow. Your joy is coming in the morning. In the morning. Yeah, 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 yeah. Your light can drown our darkness and bring joy to life. In the morning. Oh, in the morning. Your light can drown our darkness, bring joy to life. We won't submit to sorrow. Your joy is coming in the morning. In the morning. Oh, clap your hands if your joy is gonna come in the morning. So weeping may endure for a night, but joy will come. Joy will come in the morning. Your light can drown our darkness, bring joy to life. You won't submit to sorrow. Joy is coming in the morning. In the morning. Your light can drown our darkness, bring the joy to life. We won't submit to sorrow. Your joy is coming in the morning. Though the night may seem weary, joy is coming in the morning, coming in the morning, coming in the morning. Though the night may seem weary, joy is coming in the morning, coming in the morning, coming in the morning. Your light can drown weary. Joy is coming to me, coming in the morning. Oh, praise to Jesus. I know joy is coming.